Everybody sing that shit.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you 12 reasons to not purchase this bike. So guys, in previous video I have told you 13 reasons to purchase this bike. So check that video out. I will give the link in the I button and go and check that video out. And guys, if you have any kind of question about me and you want to ask anything about this bike, you can comment down below. So let's get started. So guys, the first reason is the mirror of this bike are so wide. So let's check it out. So guys, as you have seen the images, the mirrors are so wide and it also exceeds the length of the handlebar. So guys, whenever you try to filter the traffic, the mirrors create a lot of problem in the traffic as well. So the second reason is the footrest of this bike are so low. So guys, whenever you try to corner with this bike, even middle level cornering, then also the footrest of this bike starts scratching the road. So guys, now the third reason is the lighting of the bike. So guys, the lighting of this bike is worse and there is hardly any difference between low beam and high beam. And guys, you won't feel any kind of problem in city, but when you went on the highway, then the lighting of the bike is not sufficient. So guys, the fourth reason is the underbelly part of the exhaust. So guys, whenever you ride the bike alone, there is hardly any problem, but when you start riding with the pillion, the underbelly part of the exhaust start hitting the speed breaker and any high area you pass with this bike. So guys, now the fifth point is the quality of the fairing. So the quality of the fairing is very low. So guys, now the sixth reason is the gear shifting of this bike. The gear shifting of this bike is so hard, guys. Sometimes you feel hard or sometimes you feel softer. And guys, while we are changing the gears, it also creates a lot of noise. And guys, it is not a very big problem. It's just like as you compare it with another bike, it creates a lot of noise and it is harder if we compare with other bikes. So guys, now the seventh reason is the pillion footrest. So guys, as you can see, the pillion footrest and the aluminium part of the exhaust is on the same level. So whenever the pillion keep the foot over the footrest, it scratches the aluminium part, and you can see that it make the aluminium part look very bad. So guys, now the eighth reason is the seat of this bike. So guys, seat of this bike is very good for the rider, but it's like a punishment for the pillion if it's ride for a long distance. And guys, it give a lot of pain to the pillion. So guys, now the ninth reason is the gap between the body, or you can say the fuel tank, and the fairing of this bike. So guys, there is lot of gap between them, and I have never seen the gap like this in any other fairing bike. If you compare it with R15 or any other KTM RC390, or you can say RC200. So guys, now the 10th reason is the position of the side stand. So guys, the angle of the side stand in this bike is worse. Whenever you apply the side stand, the bike will be very straight, and if anyone touches the bike, it fell other side. So guys, now the 11th reason is this bike is not for the tall riders, as the fuel tank of this bike create a lot of problem for the tall riders. Whenever we sit on the bike on an average height person, then its knee come over here, but when a tall rider sit on the bike, its knee come over here. So it's create a lot of problem for the tall rider. So guys, now the 12th reason is the finishing of the electric controls. So the finishing of the electric controls are very poor, and even I have heard from lot of my friends who are having this bike, they told me about they told me that the rainwater goes inside these controls and they stop working. So guys, these are the 12 reasons to not purchase this bike. So guys, till now one question is remain unanswered, that should you buy this bike or not, because previously I have made one video in which I have told you the reasons to purchase this bike, and in this video I have told you the reasons to not purchase this bike. So guys, if you want me to make a complete review about this bike, so tell me in the comment section, and guys, do give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe the channel.